Geminis, welcome to Happy Soul Journey, and today we are going to do the 3-month reading, that what will happen in April, May and June. I know guys I was absent, but there were my exam and I was suffering from corona after that, so I had to take a longer break. I'm sorry, but now I'm back and I'm back with a lot of stuff, so stay tuned, okay? If you're new to my channel, it's Chetna Raj, and let's see what Geminis need to know about April, May and June. Okay. So Geminis, for you, I feel like there will be some delays, but when the things will come, it will come together. Like it's like a windfall. But if the information is not coming, it will come like you will get all the information, everything like in a one go. Okay, but it will take some time. Okay. Fortitude, strength card. Strength card is being courageous, but be strong. Okay, be strong, and I think Geminis are being strong. Okay, Geminis are being strong no matter how hard the situation is. Okay, and how much it is giving a little bit pain in the dash. See, I think Geminis, it's like the level of honesty and the level of clarity you will give to another people or the universe. The same level of clarity and same level of things will come to you. Okay, so it depends on what kind of things you are doing and what kind of things you are asking for. Okay, your energy is like, it's like the energy you will be in, the similar kind of energy will come towards you, and it is time that it will come towards you. Okay, because I think you know, the energy that this person will create, universe will just copy that. So it really depends that, you know, what kind of energy you are portraying in this strength card. It is control, or it is mental toughness, that no matter what will happen, I will be fine, or you are trying to control the situation. It's like if you try to control the situation, universe will try to control the situation too. But if you will show the mental toughness and you will feel like everything will be fine and you will be fine, the universe will give you that kind of thing. I'm seeing a mirroring effect in April for you. Can you see that? Someone is coming towards you in the May, and with a lot of communication. It could be a harsh communication, it could be a love thing, because your energy is lovers, your energy is lover. So it could be a decision making, a very intellectual decision, or it could be a conversation between you and someone else. It could be that you will go towards someone, that I want to talk to you, and that person will listen to you, that person will communicate with you. So you don't have to worry that, you know, that person will not respond, that person will not give you clarity, because I think clarity is the name of the game. The amount of clarity you will have in your mind about something, similar amount of clarity people and universe will give you about something, no matter how harsh the truth is, no matter how harsh, you know, things are, or life-changing. It could be harsh or it could be life-changing, because Mars in like it's a Marsian energy, and Mars in I think it's in Cancer right now, and for around some a month or two it will be there, and it is not, it is very gentle, you know. Mars, you know, Cancer is trying to make Mars gentle, but Mars don't like it, so there is a rebellious nature. But Mars also like the soothing effect of feminine energy. So there's very complicated situation. It could be that this is a complicated situation, that you can't be with someone and you can't be without someone, but there will be a certain change in the situation in the coming month. Definitely a conversation. I think, you know, there are a lot of peoples are answering, you know. Can you see that your energy and the universe is like 2 major arcana, then 2 major arcana, and it is code card. People are working, but people are working as per the direction and as per the alignment of universe. So whatever is happening, it is happening for the greater good of everyone involving in the situation. King of Pentacles. Okay. So King of Pentacles is like feeling stable. I know where I'm going. I know what I'm doing. 2 of Swords. I know what I'm doing, and I saw 2 of Swords. What that means? Tell me what that means. I know what I'm doing. But okay, so it's like I know what I need to do to make things move forward, but will I? Like, will you do what you need to do in this situation to make things move forward? Tell me. Okay. Ace of Cups, 4 of Swords. So there is a peace, but this is also a non-action card. So will you do, or you will give yourself a break from doing the social work and understanding everyone and finding clarity or giving clarity to everyone? You just want to live your own moment for some time, a lonely time, but it will not be a lonely time, it will be a solitude. Why you need a solitude? To resolve all this issue which is coming up inside your mind and heart and all that, you know. And I don't think so you should like take more time, because if you will take more time, as I said, it will like whoosh, you know. It's like the Tower card. It's like the delay is there, but once a thing will happen, it will happen like Roadrunner. Keep your sense of humor and don't take things so seriously. Don't put yourself into this argument, but give yourself some rest. Don't take like, you know, if not now then when. Don't do that, because I think you need to understand one thing, that Mars will not give you anything right now. It's a time of rest or thinking it through before opening your mouth. Because when you will open your mouth, it will definitely make a change. Oh, and what kind of change you want to make, it really depends on you. I think this solitude in June, if you will just, you know, even if you cut through some issues, cut away some people out of your life, or cut away some kind of thing out of your life, you will be in peace. You have done that out of self-love, and you don't have to worry that what next, because King of Pentacles is definitely going to land up somewhere which is stable, good, abundant. So you don't have to worry that what you have done was out of just anger, because see, sometimes when we get angry on something, we actually make a right decision. You know, it is very risky, very chance, you know, it depends on what we do. But sometimes we actually make some right decision when we are angry, because that anger drive us towards and make us do something which we normally will not do, okay, or we are afraid of doing. So if you are afraid of doing something, if you are afraid of leaving something or someone, or saying something to someone, then I think Mars will help you in that. But you know, after effects, it's just it's on you. Sometimes when we do even right things, we regret it until we see the result. So I don't want you to be regretful. If you want to make a action, then peace. So I told you it's peace time. So listen to me. Either make peace with other, or make peace inside yourself. If someone is not, if someone is very clear in their ways that what their path is, then be clear in your ways too, that where you are going and what kind of things you need to release to have this kind of situation in your heart, like Ace of Cups kind of situation in your heart. You will not know why right now, because I told you that sometimes we regret our steps until we actually see the results. So don't be so in the mind like, you know, I've done some wrong thing or that kind of situation. You have done everything right and everything will be fine. Okay, so whatever you're doing for your peace, and your motto should be that. Okay, peaceful months are coming, peaceful time is coming, and that will come only when you will listen to your heart and do what your heart is saying, even if you have done that thing in anger, and it was actually, you know, it was actually something which was needed to be done. But when the anger is gone, again the fear enters and you will regret something. But I think you should not regret that thing. You should not regret the moments. You should not regret the decision. You should make a peace with it, because, you know, even in this peace, there is something which will you feel like, you know, it shouldn't happen, what happened. But that will bring this at some point of time, and this at some point of time. So I said that Mars will not give you anything, because Mars will not give you peace. Mars will make you do things which you don't want to do. Mars will create a situation which will not lead to the things that you want to settle for. But it's high time that you need to release all those things. Mars will not give you anything. It will take away a few things. But that is needed right now. So be very mindful of that. Okay? So that's that, guys. I hope that will help you. Let me know in the comment section below. Smash the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell button so you can get the notification for the next videos. There are a lot which is coming, May readings and love readings and pick a card. It's a lot I have planned for you. Now I'm totally free, so I have a lot of time to do the reading for you. If you want a personal reading with me, definitely contact me on the email ID given in the description box below. That is happysouljourney@gmail.com. Okay guys, ta-da, Geminis.